In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flag photos in Lightroom Classic quickly and easily using both keyboard shortcuts and the mouse. This is one of the fastest ways to organize your images, separate the keepers from the rejects, and make culling your photo library much more efficient. If you work with a lot of photos, learning this simple workflow can save you a huge amount of time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tips, editing tricks, and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about what flagging means in Lightroom Classic. Flagging is basically Lightroom's way of helping you mark photos as picked, rejected, or unflagged. A pick is a photo you want to keep. A reject is a photo you may want to delete later. An unflag simply clears the mark so the photo goes back to normal. This is extremely useful when you're sorting through a shoot and trying to decide which images are worth keeping. The fastest way to flag photos is with keyboard shortcuts. If you have a photo selected, press P on your keyboard to mark it as a pick. That tells Lightroom this is a keeper. If you want to mark a photo as a reject, press X. That's useful for blurry shots, duplicates, or images you know you don't want. And if you change your mind and want to remove the flag, press U to unflag the photo. These shortcuts are simple, but once you start using them regularly, your culling process becomes much faster. Now let's go over how to do it with the mouse. First, click on the photo you want to flag, then look for the flag icon in the toolbar. If you don't see the toolbar, you may need to make sure it's enabled in your view. Once you click the flag icon, you can choose whether to mark the image as pick or reject. This is a good option if you prefer using the mouse instead of shortcuts, or if you're just getting started with Lightroom Classic. Next, let's talk about filtering photos by flags. This is helpful when you want to see only your best images or only the ones you plan to remove. To do this, press the backslash key, which is the backslash key, and that will show the filter bar if it's hidden. Then go to the Attribute tab and look for the flag section. From here, you can filter your photos to show only pics, only rejects, or all flagged images, depending on what you need. This makes it much easier to review a specific group of photos without distractions. For example, if you're editing a wedding shoot or a big event, you can flag your strongest images as pics, then use the filter bar to isolate those keepers and continue editing only the best shots. You can also use rejects to quickly identify photos you want to delete later, which helps keep your catalog clean and organized. Lightroom Classic gives you a very efficient way to handle large batches of images, and flags are one of the simplest tools for doing that. So to quickly recap, press P to pick a photo, press X to reject it, and press U to remove the flag. If you prefer, you can also use the flag icon on the toolbar to do it with the mouse. And if you want to narrow down your view, press backslash to bring up the filter bar, then go to Attribute and use flags to show only pics or rejects. Once you get comfortable with this, flagging becomes a fast part of your workflow instead of a slow one. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Lightroom Classic tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.